Hello everyone, we have to discuss about that UGC नेट पेपर सेकंड सेट 2023।
क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 is John Locke in his book Two Treatises of Government released about the concept of she natural rights identified the communalism philosophers from among the following. D. Michael Sandel. Which of the following pair? Which of the following pair is incorrect matched? इनकरेक्ट मैच्ड डी। सोशल वेलफेयर थ्योरी ऑफ राइट्स इनकरेक्ट है। बाकी थ्योरी ऑफ नेचुरल राइट्स हॉब्स की है। थ्योरी ऑफ लीगल राइट्स आस्टिन की है। और आइडियोलॉजी थ्योरी ऑफ राइट्स हीगल्स की है। मेंबर ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन असेंबली ऑफ इंडिया वेयर? सी सेकंड, इनडायरेक्टली इलेक्शन और नॉमिनेटेड इलेक्शन इज करेक्ट। Who said that forces of great powers in nation are prescriptions in favor of the local rights and private properties, of habits of life, prejudices in favor of old decencies, the families and religious dogmas? C. C is correct. Russell Kirk. The book Woman's Estate was written by Estate was written by a Julian Mitchell. Juniel Mitchell. Who among the following has worked for the animals right? एनिमल्स राइट के लिए वर्क्स करता है पेटर सिंगर। डाइवर्स कल्चरल्स ऑफर concrete after concrete alternative is other hypothesis presented by? A. Will Kaimelica. Giving below are two statement. One labels as the assertions and the other labels as the reasons. Assertion: ecological start from the concept of the humanism of human needs. Green politics. Green politics or eco politics is other political ideology that aims to the foster an ideological sustainable society rooted in environmentalism and non-violence, social justice, and grassroots democracy. Question number 9. B. Both A and R is true, but R is not correct explanation of A. Question number 10. Indian Constitution is called the living documents because D. Neither or nor two. Consider the following pairs: constitution borrow, constitutional provision, and borrow from. Fundamental right. Fundamental rights. Fundamental right is related to United States. C. Idea of residual power is related to Canada. Rule of the law is related to ब्रिटेन। डायरेक्ट प्रिंसिपल ओवर स्टेट पॉलिसी कहाँ से ली गई थी? आयरलैंड संविधान से। विथ रेफरेंस टू द मेंबर्स ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन असेंबली कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट? बी सेकंड एंड थर्ड इज करेक्ट। प्रिंसली स्टेट वे आर गिविंग नो रिप्रेजेंटेशंस। Both Mahatma Gandhi and M.A. Jinnah were members of the Constitutional Assembly. Which of the following is considered as the Magna Carta of the company? B. Farrukhsiyar Farmans. Consider the following statement: the functions of the Financial Commission is are. B. Second and third. To allocated between the state and the shares of the proceeds of taxes. The considers application for grant in aid from the states. According to the National Human Rights Commission Act 1993, who amongst the following can be the its chairman? C. Only other retired Chief Justice of India. Which article of the Constitution of India says no children below the age of 14 years shall be employed to work in any factories or mine or engaged in any others the hazardous employment? A. Article 24, question number 17. Which one of the following statement correctly describe the fourth schedules of the Constitution in India? D. It allocated seat in the Council of the State. As per the Indian protocol, who among the following ranks highest in the order of the precedence? A. Deputy Prime Minister. Consider the following statement. C. Second and third. Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan seeks to provide computer education even in rural areas. Education was included in the concurrent list by the 42 Amendment 1976 and to the Constitutional of India. Who was the Chief Justice of India when public interest litigations (PIL) was introduced to the Indian judicial system? D. P.N. Bhagwati. Consider the following statement. Only one. The chairman of the committees on the public account is appointed by the speakers of the Lok Sabha. The 73rd Constitution Amendment Act 1992 refers to the laying the foundation for the strong and the liberals and vibrant Panchayati Raj institution in the country. Question number 23. If other new state of the Indian Union is to be created, which one of the following schedules of the constitutions must be amended? A. First. In what way does the Indian Parliament exercise control over the administration? A. Through parliamentary committee. Question number 25. The Supreme Court of the India tenders advice to the President on other matter of the law of fact. B. Only if he seeks such advice. Question number 25. Which articles of the Constitution provided that it shall be the endeavours of every state to provide the adequate facilities for instructions in the mother tongue aid the primary state of education? C. Article 35A. Article 350A. Who among the following has written the articles The Zigzag of Politics? C. R. Nozick. Who among the following is not a proponent of communitarianism? D. Friedrich Hayek. Which of the following are the features of the democracy? D. Political equality means one person's one vote and one vote one value. Select the correct answer from the code given below. D, A, B, C, D तीनों. Democracy required political equality. All citizens must be the entities to stand for the election regarding of the race, sex, colors or religions. All citizens must possess a vote. Universal adult franchise. Match the following list: author and books. D. Author and book. First, third. ब्रियन बेरी की जस्टिस। सुशन मोलर ओकिन। सुशन मोकिन इज रिलेटेड जस्टिस, जेंडर एंड फैमिली। अमर्त्य के सेन इज रिलेटेड टू Amartya K. Sen is related to idea of justice. Tom Campbell is related to the liberals' theory of justice. Which of the following are the features of the Marx theory of the surplus value? C. The value of the every community is not the proportionals to the qualities or the labor content in it. ABD. It is an the extensions of the Ricardo theory. B. Labor's power equal the brain's muscles and the nerves of the laborer. The worker must be paid at the price proportions to the numbers of the labors and hours that the entered into its production. Question number 32. Which of the following are the Lenin's and contributions to Marxism theory? B. His theory or capitalist imperialism and which he held to constitute the immediately stage of capitalism. B. ACD. It is an the extensions of Rialto theory. His theory of the parties as the vagued of the proletariat, which guidance the masses both before and after the revolution. His theory or capital, his version for the deconstructions of the world first proletarians. His theory of the strategy and tactic of revolution. Question number 33. Which one of the following is not other features of the ideology? The political ideas that do not the embodies or the articulated class or the socials interested. Who among the following describe the comparative politics as the primarily concerned with parties interested and leadership structures? 34C. Roy C. McCready and Bud. Who was the author of the books The Presidential Republic? A. Jean Blondin. Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? B. Comparative politics theory S.P. Huntington. Which of the following are true regarding other revolutions? A. Change of the constitution. And second, one ruling's elite is replaced by the another. Question number 38. Which one of the following are true regarding other unitary system of the government? B. Power is delegated to the locals unit for the administrative convenience. 38. B. It is most effective in the protecting the unity and the integrity of the nations. Power is delegated to the locals units for administrative conveniences. There is the single law-making bodies. The local administrative units do not derived there the power from the constitutions. Which of the following amendment of the American Constitution laid down the due process of laws relating to the justice, scrutiny of legislative and the executive action? A. Fifth Amendment and 14th Amendment. 14. Which one of the following pair is not correctly matched? 40B. Appointed of the judges for life Switzerland, not judges. Administrative laws France का दिया हुआ है. Equal representation of state USA in House of Senate. Rule of law इंग्लैंड से लिया गया. Question number 41. Writer and concepts. राइटर और उसके कंसेप्ट्स। डीसी का कौन सा है, डीसी का कंसेप्ट कौन सा है, रूल ऑफ लॉ। डीसी डीसी इज रिलेटेड टू DISA is related to rule of law. SP Hingston, SP Huntington, political decay. Almond is related to atomic interest group. Marbury Ware's the mediation is related to the judicial review. Which of the following was not other features of the Government of India Act 1990? B. The Legislative Assembly would have an elected majority and control over the ministers. Who among the following provided a link between the pre and the post-independence institutional frameworks to study Indian politics? C. Maurice Jones. Which of the following is true about the fundamental rights under the Indian Constitution? Is related to A. It is protected and enforced by the constitutions. Question number 45. A. A and C. Communal representation was not only the retried and but the extended. Supreme Court is the guardians of the fundamental right. Idea, concept or person associated. Soft state is related to the Gunnar Mandal. Politics of the scarcity is related to the Meron Banner. Treatise of the governability is related to the Atul Kohli. Contentious democracy is related to Shubrata Ke Mitra. A college student decide to get elected to the municipal corporation of his city. Question number 46. A college student derived to get the elected to the municipal councils of his city. The validity of his nomination would depend on the important condition among others that C. His name figures in the voter list. Which one of the following statement is incorrect? D. Dadra and Nagar Haveli were under the French colonial rules till 1954. Which one of the following right was described and by the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the heart and the souls of the constitutions? Scold as D. Right to the constitutional remedies. The 9th schedule to the Indian Constitution was added किया गया था A. First Amendment के द्वारा. The Constitution the consider the following statement. D. All are correct. Alligators in favor of the modern education by the progressive Indians to ensure chief supply of the educated manpower for subordinated post in the administrations. Governments believed that the educated Indians would help expand the market for the British products. Consider the following statement nationalist leader or newspapers. Surendranath Banerjee. B. Second and third. G. Subramaniam Ayers is related to स्वदेश मित्रा. बाल गंगाधर तिलक ने केसरी न्यूज़पेपर्स लिखा था. Which of the following event in India took place immediately after World War II? D. Telangana rebellions, Varlis revolt, Teghana movement, Punnapatra, Payalar. Which of the following newspapers were launched by any patient? C. 1 and 3rd. New India on Commonweal. With reference to play Neel Darpan, consider the following statement. D. Neither one nor two. Consider the following plans with regards to the transfer of the power during British rule. A. Wavell Plan or Cabinet Mission Plan and Mountbatten Plan. 56. On the eve of the launch of the Quiet India movement, Mahatma Gandhi gave some specific instructions and to different groups of pupils. With reference to those instructions, consider the following statement. B. 3 only. He asked the princes of the princely estate and to expected the sovereignty of their own people. The men different of the opinion between the Swarajist and the no changers during the national movement was over. B. Entry into the Legislative Council. Which of the following pair are correctly matched? D. First, second and third. 3 are correct. अगस्त ऑफर इज रिलेटेड टू आउटकम्स आया था कहाँ पे? ऑब्जेक्टिव आउटकम. To seek Indian support for the Britain in WW2 Shimla Conference to discuss and the approve Wavell's plan. AICC meeting in Bombay 1942. Ratification of the Quiet India resolutions. Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? D. First, second and third. Chittagong raid is related to the Surya Sen incident. Kakori robbery का लीडर कौन था? राम प्रसाद बिस्मिल. मीरठ कंस्पिरेंसी के लीडर कौन था? S.A. दर्ज. कानपुर कंस्पिरेंसी का लीडर कौन था? M.N. रॉय. Which of the following is correct regarding Cunningham circulars? C. It prohibited the student for the participating in political activities associated with the freedoms movement. 61. Who among the following had started to release the Karma Yogins and the Dharma? B. Aurobindo. Giving below are two statements, one labeled as the assertions and the others assertions. M.N. Roy did not accept Marx's materialistic interpretations of history reasons. It had and the elements of determinism and ideologism. Quote. A. Both A and R is true. R is not correct explanation of A. Who among the following said in the contact of the States Recognition Commission report, the lamb are shown of the wool, and they are the feeling the intercities of cold? B. B.R. Ambedkar. Match the correct list. List 1 and list 2. A. Behavioral is related to the analysis of human behavior in administrative settings. Bureaucratic is related to the legal regional authority. Ecological is related to the agrarian transportation industria. General system is related to the administrative system as other subsystem of the society. Which of the followings are the features of the new public management? D. New public management is related to the contracting out, devolution of the authorities, focus on the performance appraisals, focus on management. Who among the following has criticism and classical theories as the homely proverb, myth, slogans, and pompous identities? D. Harvard Simon. Who among the following said that the behavior in the administration should be the studied through the physio and physioanalysis? C. Abraham Maslow. The Hawthorne experiments belongs to the era. D. Karl Marx. Unity of the command means unity of the command means is related to unity of the command means A. That the subordinated will have only one supervisor. The governor of the state in his the capacity as the administrator of and the adjoining union territory discharges his the functions independently of D. The state council of minister. Which of the following are the factors of the determining the length of the span of control? D. First, second, and third. Age of the organizations, a person of the supervisors, and calibre of the subordinated and organization structures. Which of the following are the benefits of the e-government? It make government for the accountables, and it lowers the transactions cost. It help in the buildings trust between the government and citizen. Which one of the following is the sequential orders of the following state becoming the acknowledged and nuclear power? America, Soviet Unions, and Britain, France, and China. Which chapters of the United Nations deals with the Pacific settlements of disputes? Disputes, chapter 4. Chapter 4. Giving below are two statement and one label at the assertion and second label reason. Select the correct assertion. The Cold War. The Cold War and the decolonization process had discouraged more active and involvement by the United Nations within states. Reason: states have nations and interested as it's the prime interest code. Both and are is true and art is correct explanation of it. India has signed. India has signed strategic partnerships agreement with B. Vietnam, Seychelles, Mongolia, and Singapore. Consider the following. Consider the following statement and with regards to India and the ASEAN. B. Daily dialogue is on the politico-economics issues between the ASEAN and India. India becomes the sectoral partners of the ASEAN in 1992. India became the dialogues partner of the ASEAN in 1996. Which of the following statement are true about the shark? Shark C. Indian become Secretary General of the Sharks twice. C and D. India becomes the Secretary General of the Shark twice. The second summit of the Sharks was held in India. Question number 80. Who have argued that far from an objective realities, international politics is a the word of our making. D. Constructivist. With reference to union. With reference to union territories, consider the following statement. C. Both 1 and 2. Union territories are not part of the unions of the India. India under Article 1 of Constitutions and union territories are not part of the federal system in India. With reference to laws of the citizenships under the Citizens Act 1955, consider the following statement. C. Both and first and second. If other person renounced his Indian citizenships and there the minor children also loses their the citizenships. The applications for the renunciations or terminations of citizenships can be the withheld if India is engaged in war. By Indian federalism is the terms and asymmetric federation. A. Some states are giving special status and privilege. Question number 84. In the context of Indian Federation, consider the following statement. C. C. Second and third. During national emergency, Parliament can legislations on states. State cannot remove officers of all the India services from their services. Question number 85. The Inter-State Council consists of D. First, third, or fourth. Prime Minister as other chairman, governor of all the states. D. Chief Minister of all the state and union territories having assemblies. With regards to the legislative relations between the union and the state, consider the following statements. Which of the following statement are correct? She. Second, the Constitution expressly secured the dominance of union list and the concurrent list over the state list. Number 87. The Prime Minister is in charge head of one of the following. Is related to the which of the following statement giving using the code giving below. 87D. First, second, or fourth. No state laws can the prevail. First, second, and fourth. State institution for transferring India. National Board for Wildlife. Department of Atomic Energy. Question number 88. Consider the following statement regarding the competitive federalism. Which of the following statement are correct? A. Only one. It refers to the horizontal relationships among the states to compete with each others to attract the investment by the utilizing their the comparative advantage. Which of the following promotes cooperation federalism in India? 89A. First and third. Interstate Council. Third. Prevalence of Rajya Sabha in the Parliament. Consider the following statements in reference to strength of Council of Minister in State of Delhi, State and Delhi. Which of the following statement are is correct? D. First, second, third. For state, it shall not the exceed 15% of the total strength of the legislative assembly of that state. For state, the constitution has the prescribes the minimum strength of council of minister. For Delhi, the strength of the council of the minister is fixed at the 10% of the total strength of the assembly. Question number 91. Who is considered as the fathers of the public administration? C. Woodrow Wilson. The politics administration dichotomy was started in year C, 1887. Who understand the evolution of the public administrations in terms of the locus and focus? Locus and focus C. Guillaume Bixby ने लिखी थी. Which among the following is not the fears of the evolution of public administrations? B. Phase second, public administrations as organization. Who in his the books entitled and public administration and public affairs have explained the evolutions of the disciplines, keeping in view its definitionals criticism into following five successive paradigms. D. Nicholas Harney. Who said that the whenever the terms balance of the power is used without the qualification, it is referred to in the intellectual state of the affairs in which powers is distributed among nations and approximately quality. A. Hans Morgenthau. Which among the following is not the features of the balance of the power according to the Palmers and Perkins? A. Does not favor status quo. Which among the following period is considered the golden period of the balance of power? She. 1815 and 1914. Who said that the troubles with the balance of the power is not that it has no meanings, but that it has too many meanings? B. Ines L. Cleland Jr. Which among the following is not a the method of balance of power? D. Don't divine and rule. Thank you guys. Bye bye.